Sorry, Jeff. No can do, mate. We're off to Disneyland Paris. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Mac.
I'm Sarah.
And welcome to our channel.
And to our travel day to Disneyland Paris.
We are super excited to be travelling to Disneyland Paris today. We've woken up in a hotel in Calais. We crossed underneath the Tunnel last night, crashed here, and we are ready to begin our journey.
Yeah, so we think it's about a 3-hour drive to Paris. We're staying at the Newport Bay Hotel. It's our first time staying on Disney property at Disneyland Paris.
Very exciting.
We are so excited. We've got 4 nights in the parks. We're going to get in the car. We're going to drive off right now. So come with us as we have a magical Christmas time holiday at Disneyland Paris.
See you soon.
Behind me is the Ibis. It's the hotel we stayed in. It is super convenient for the Tunnel. It is maybe a 5-minute drive from the terminal. However, fun fact, there are 2 Ibises in this car park. So if you book into an Ibis, make sure when you check in, you're checking into the right one. Don't be like us and spend 10 minutes trying to check into the wrong one the other side of the car park. Because we're driving to Paris, one of the things you have to account for is paying for tolls on the French roads, which obviously we don't have very many toll roads in England. We've just paid a toll of €22.80 for, it was about a 2-hour trip on the motorway, but the roads here are really good and they're really clear. I should imagine if you didn't want to pay a toll, you could probably find an alternative route, but it would probably take a little bit longer. Been reminiscing about a trip that we took in 2009. At the time we had a motorhome and we spent a month touring Europe, France, Italy, Switzerland, and at the time we had no sat nav, we had no smartphones, no Google Maps, no nothing, and we literally navigated the whole time with just, what are they called?
Maps.
Just maps. I know they're called maps.
We got road map.
Road map.
We got lost a lot.
We got lost a lot, but it was a lot of fun. And I was thinking, do you remember we got on the ferry and our motorhome wouldn't start, and someone had to give us a jump start, and then he very kindly gave us a couple of I guess fuses because there was a problem with the fuse box. And then when we were driving on the motorway in France, like literally straight off the boat, our engine kept overheating. We couldn't figure out why. We pulled out into services, found a bird nest complete with bird eggs on top of the engine block. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Happy times.
Happy times. Always check your engines.
Yeah. Well, we have arrived at Disney's Newport Bay Hotel. We've parked up, very busy car park, but we're now going to check in. We can't get in our room until later on. It's only like midday now, so we can't get in until about 3, but we're going to go grab our tickets.
Head straight to the park.
Head straight to the parks, but you won't see that today. You will see that on another vlog. In one of those horror movies where the corridors change to fool you. It feels like a horror maze. Only not scary.
Hello and welcome to our Superior Lakeview room at the Newport Bay Club. This room has got 2 queen beds, so it sleeps 4 people. We've got a fantastic lake view, obviously, as the room of the name suggests. And this room has some lovely touches for being at Disneyland Paris. So there's some hidden Mickeys, well, not so hidden, but there's some Mickey patterns in the carpet, and then there's some characters peeping out of the portholes. Come and have a look at the view. It's really nice. You can see the swimming pool over the other side of the lake. And there's not much to the room really. There's a little dressing table area with some plugs and sockets. There's a couch to sit on. There's some nice deep drawers to stow away all of your luggage after your sea voyage. And then in here, kettle, tea, coffee making facilities, a telly, and an ice bucket. And Mac is going to show you around the bathroom.
This is the bathroom area, and this is a really great feature because we love it when you have a separate washing area and bathroom, because that means that someone can be in the shower, the other can be getting ready, and you get out the door quicker. It's a great little area actually. You've got a decent amount of storage, you've got some hanging space, you've got storage above and below for your cases, you've got a safe there, there's a plug socket underneath the sink, so if you needed to plug in hairdryer or anything like that you can, and then the bathroom is this way. Fairly standard bathroom, decent enough size, a little bit of area here to put stuff on if you need to. The shower's pretty powerful. There are some toiletries provided. You've got some Disney shampoo and shower gel and some conditioner as well. The toilet is hiding just behind the door. You don't need to see that. You know what they look like, right?
The lobby and reception area of the Newport Bay were beautifully decorated and felt super festive. Characters meet guests in reception. We saw lots of guests waiting to meet Donald and Minnie at various times of the day.
There's a small gift shop selling all the usual Disney goodies, but none of the essentials you might expect to find in a hotel shop, so don't forget your toothpaste. There's a lovely pool and well-equipped gym, but we were far too busy having fun to do any exercise.
If your package includes breakfast, it will be in either Captain Cook's or the Yacht Club on the ground floor. It's a buffet breakfast, all you care to enjoy, and there's something for everyone, although vegetarian options were limited. The same restaurants also serve dinner. Captain Cook's is a buffet and the Yacht Club is a table service. We enjoyed a really delicious meal there. There's also a plush bar, Captain's Quarters, selling drinks, cocktails and bar snacks.
From the front of the hotel, there's a shuttle bus to the parks, or it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk around the lake at the rear of the hotel. Well, we hope you've enjoyed our travel day and room tour vlog.
We're going to get ready now and head straight to Disneyland Park so we can begin to immerse ourselves in some of the Christmas festivities.
Check out that video coming next, but for now, thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, it means the world to us, and stay tuned for more content.
See you soon. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Good morning.
Good morning.
And welcome to our travel day. Already?
Get up.
Did I?
Yeah.
No, you're supposed to say we're on our way to Disneyland Paris.
No, I'm Mac.and.Sarah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Take two. No. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Mac.
I'm Sarah.
And welcome to our Disneyland Paris travel day.
And welcome back to our channel and to our Disneyland Paris
Oh,
travel
yeah.
day.
Okay.
Oh, he's taking all my
Come on.
lines, man.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Mac.
I'm Sarah.
And welcome to our travel day.
And to our channel.
Take 4.